Did you know you can start making money with AI today, even if you have no technical skills? From creating chatbots that answer questions for businesses, to selling stunning AI-generated art, or even automating simple tasks that save people hours of work. AI is opening up brand new income streams for anyone willing to try. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. Let's explore the most promising AI income opportunities, ranked from lowest to highest potential. Number 7, AI-driven customer service, chatbot setups, automation. Ever wondered how businesses reply instantly to thousands of customers without hiring an army of support agents? That's the power of AI-driven customer service, and here's how you can use it to make money. What it is: AI-driven customer service uses chatbots and automation tools to handle customer questions, support, and simple tasks without needing a human agent every time. How it works: a business sets up an AI chatbot on their website, social media, or WhatsApp. The bot can answer FAQs, book appointments, process orders, or even guide customers step by step. AI learns from past interactions and keeps improving, making it faster and smarter over time. Why it matters: saves companies money by reducing the need for large support teams. Customers get 24/7 instant responses instead of waiting in line. Businesses can scale support globally without hiring hundreds of staff. Income potential for you: you can offer chatbot setup services to small businesses, restaurants, e-commerce, local shops. You can create automation systems that save businesses time and charge monthly fees for maintenance. While not the highest paying AI field, it's a great entry point because demand is high, especially among businesses that want automation but don't know how to set it up. Average income: freelance chatbot setups, $500 to $2,000 per client. Scaling into SaaS agency, $5,000 to $15,000 plus monthly. Number 6, AI content creation, writing, images, short videos. Did you know you can use AI tools to create content and turn it into real income streams? From writing to images and even short videos, AI can help you build a digital business without needing huge skills or investments. AI writing, articles, scripts, ebooks. Use AI tools to generate blog articles, YouTube scripts, newsletters, or even ebooks. Monetization comes from selling ebooks on Amazon KDP, offering freelance writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, writing SEO blogs that generate ad revenue and affiliate commissions. Example: you write an AI-assisted ebook in a few hours, publish it, and earn royalties every month. AI images, art, graphics, thumbnails. AI can create unique art, logos, and social media content in minutes. Monetization comes from selling AI-generated art on marketplaces like Etsy, Redbubble, print on demand, offering YouTube thumbnails or social media post designs as a service, licensing AI art for stock photo sites. Example: create trending digital art collections and sell them as posters. AI short videos, Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. AI video tools help make animated explainers, faceless shorts, or product reviews. Monetization comes from YouTube Shorts fund and ad revenue once you hit monetization requirements, brand sponsorships for viral niche content, affiliate marketing by promoting products in short, AI-edited videos. Example: run a faceless YouTube channel using AI voice plus stock clips, grow views, and monetize ads plus affiliate links. Average income: beginner gigs, $100 to $500 per month. Skilled/niche focused, $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Number 5, freelancing with AI tools. Do you know you can start freelancing today without being an expert? Thanks to AI tools, you can deliver professional services and get paid online. Let's break down how freelancing with AI can turn into a steady income stream. Content writing and copywriting. AI tools can write blogs, ad copy, product descriptions, and even full ebooks. You can sell these services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Example: businesses always need SEO blogs. AI helps you deliver fast, you just polish it for quality. Income potential: $20 to $200 per project depending on length and niche. Graphics, design, and branding. Even if you're not a designer, AI can generate logos, social media graphics, posters, and thumbnails. Offer design packages to small businesses or YouTubers who want eye-catching visuals. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva with AI make it easy. Income potential: $15 to $100 per design, or more for bundles. Video and audio services. Use AI for video editing, subtitles, faceless explainer videos, podcast editing, or voiceovers. Many clients don't have time for editing and will pay freelancers to handle it quickly. Example, edit YouTube shorts using AI tools, delivered to content creators who need daily uploads. Income potential, $50 to $500 per video project. Virtual assistants with AI, offer AI-powered research, email drafting, scheduling, and data entry. Position yourself as a smart virtual assistant who uses AI to be faster and more accurate. Businesses love efficiency, so they'll pay you to manage repetitive tasks. Income potential, $10 to $30 per hour. Social media management. Use AI to generate captions, hashtags, content calendars, and engagement strategies. Sell this as a monthly service to small businesses or influencers. Example, create 30 Instagram posts in a day with AI, schedule them, and charge for the whole package. Income potential, $300 to $1, 000 plus per client per month. Number 4. AI for social media and YouTube. Want to grow fast on social media or YouTube, even without expensive equipment or a big team? AI can help you create, manage, and monetize content like a pro. Let's see how you can turn AI-powered content into real income. AI for content creation. AI helps you generate video ideas, write scripts, edit clips, and even create faceless videos. Example, use AI to write a trending YouTube script, turn it into a short video with stock footage, add AI voiceover, publish daily. More content equals faster growth. Income comes from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI for social media growth. AI tools can create Instagram posts, TikTok clips, captions, hashtags, and even engagement replies. You can build a personal brand or run a theme page like travel, motivation, or tech. Consistency is key, and AI makes it easy to stay consistent without burning out. Income comes from brand deals, affiliate links, and selling digital products. AI for thumbnails and visuals. On YouTube, thumbnails are everything. Use AI to design eye-catching thumbnails, banners, and channel art. High click-through rate equals more views equals more money. Extra income stream. You can also sell thumbnails and social media graphics as a service. AI for audience engagement. AI chatbots can help you reply to comments, manage DMs, and engage with followers automatically. The more engagement you have, the better your content performs on algorithms. Example, automate YouTube comment replies to keep your community active. Scaling with AI. Once your channel or social page grows, use AI to analyze performance, suggest trending topics, and optimize posting time. Number 3. AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Want to earn money online without creating your own products? Affiliate marketing is a great way, and AI can make it faster, smarter, and more profitable. Let's break down how AI-assisted affiliate marketing works. What is AI-assisted affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. AI-assisted. You use AI tools to find trending products, create content, and optimize your campaigns automatically. This means you can do more in less time and reach more people. Using AI to find products. AI tools can analyze trending products, hot niches, and high-commission programs. Example, AI can scan Amazon, ClickBank, or Shopify for products that are currently popular. Focus on products your audience actually wants. AI helps predict that. Benefit? You promote products with higher chances of selling. More income. AI for content creation. AI can write reviews, blog posts, email sequences, or social media posts for your affiliate products. Example, use AI to create a 500-word product review, turn it into a YouTube script, and post it as a video. AI can also help create banners, thumbnails, and ads. Benefit, you save time and can publish more content to generate more sales. AI for email marketing and funnels. Use AI to write personalized email campaigns that drive clicks and conversions. AI can optimize funnels, landing pages, CTAs, and headlines that convert better. Example, automated email drip campaigns that recommend affiliate products to your subscribers. Income potential, consistent sales without manual follow-ups. AI analytics and optimization. AI tools track which products and content perform best. Use this data to focus on high-converting products and optimize your campaigns. Example, AI shows that your fitness product review video converts 5x better than your others. You double down on that niche. Key tips: scale smarter. Combine AI tools to research, create content, and optimize campaigns. Focus on high-demand products and trending niches. The more efficiently you work with AI, the faster your affiliate income grows. Number 2. AI business ideas. AI SaaS tools, niche startups. Want to build a business that runs itself and makes money online? AI is not just for content, it's powering entire businesses. Let's see how you can turn AI business ideas into real income. AI SaaS, software as a service. What it is. AI SaaS are online platforms or apps that solve a problem using AI. Example: AI chatbots, AI writing assistants, image generators, or analytics dashboards. How to monetize: charge a monthly subscription, recurring revenue. Offer premium plans with more features. Tip: start small with one niche problem and scale as your users grow. Income potential: $500, $10, 000 plus per month depending on user base and pricing. AI tools for businesses or creators. Create AI-powered tools for content creation, marketing, or automation. Example: AI social media post generator, YouTube thumbnail creator, or email automation tool. How to monetize: one-time purchase, subscription, or freemium model. Offer custom packages for agencies or businesses. Income potential: $50, $500 per client, or recurring subscriptions. Niche AI startups. Focus on specific industries like health, real estate, education, or finance. Example: AI property analysis for real estate agents, AI homework helper for students, or AI financial forecasting tool. How to monetize: B2B, sell to companies, or B2C, sell to individuals. Licensing your AI model or app to businesses. Income potential: $1,000, $50, 000 plus, depending on niche demand and scalability. How AI helps scale these businesses: automate repetitive tasks, handle customer support, or generate content for marketing. Reduce operational costs, higher profits. Example: use AI to generate social media ads, respond to leads, and create landing pages automatically. Key tips: solve real problems. The most successful AI businesses focus on a specific problem and make it easier with AI. Test your idea with a small audience first. Iterate based on feedback. Scale up. Number 1. AI-powered web development. Want to build websites faster than ever and make money online? AI isn't just for content creation, it's revolutionizing web development. Let's see how you can use AI-powered web development to generate income. AI-powered website builders. Tools like Wix ADI, Bookmark, or Durable AI let you create fully functional websites automatically. How to monetize. Offer website creation services to small businesses, freelancers, or startups. Charge per website or offer monthly maintenance packages. Example: create a professional website in hours instead of days and charge clients $300, $1, 000 plus per project. AI for design and development tasks. AI can generate design layouts, code snippets, animations, and responsive pages. Benefit: you don't need to code everything manually. AI accelerates your workflow. Example: use AI to generate HTML, CSS for client landing pages or e-commerce sites. Income potential: $50, $500 per small project, $1, 000 plus for larger custom websites. AI-powered web solutions and SaaS. Build AI-based tools or plugins for websites, chatbots, analytics dashboards, SEO optimizers. How to monetize. Sell these tools as SaaS, software as a service subscriptions. License them to other web developers or businesses. Example: an AI chatbot plugin that handles customer queries automatically, recurring subscription income. Income potential: $100, $5, 000 month depending on client base and subscription model. Freelance and agency opportunities. Offer full AI-powered web solutions as a freelancer or agency. Target small businesses, YouTubers, or startups who want professional websites quickly. Combine website creation, SEO, and AI-driven content to provide complete packages. Key tip: sell speed and efficiency. AI allows you to deliver high-quality websites in a fraction of the time, which is highly valuable to clients. Tips: always add your creativity. AI is an amazing tool, but your unique ideas and personal touch are what make your work stand out. Focus on solving real problems. The most profitable AI projects are the ones that actually help people save time, earn money, or make life easier. Keep learning and adapting. AI evolves fast, so stay curious, explore new tools, and adjust your strategies to stay ahead of the game. Start applying these tips today, and you'll be on your way to turning AI into a real income stream. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss AI tips that can grow your income.